Last video, we learned how to create bullet. In this video, let's make bouncing bullets like Mario game. Easy with physics material. And how to destroy bullet if bounce 3 times. You can get this icon free under video. Make sure it is set as Sprite 2D and UI. Now add it to hierarchy. Set its size as big as you want. To make it move, requires component rigid body. Remember to check simulated option to move object. Set gravity scale to make bullet can fall down. And freeze rotation Z is off, for object can rotate. For bouncing, circle collider will do better. Make sure his trigger is not checked. Set collider size to fit the image, big or small as you want. Hold and drop it into a folder to create its prefab. You can delete this object on screen now. Open player controller script. Last video, we already created button attack. When button is pressed, we do player attack. And in player attack, we create a bullet. This is what we did in last video. Back to player controller script. Let's copy function create bullet. We can use it again. Change it name create bouncing bullet. Now when button attack is pressed, we call create bouncing bullet instead, to create bouncing bullet. First of all, we need to add prefab bullet to our script. Name it bouncing bullet. Set it public to edit directly in editor. Now add prefab of bouncing bullet to event instantiate. To create clone object of bouncing bullet when button attack is pressed. On your script, you can see variable bouncing bullet. Add prefab bomb to our bouncing bullet. Run the game to test. When button attack is pressed, object bomb is created in front of player, as bullet in last video we did. Add physics material 2D. Name it bouncing, or any names you want. Change friction to 0 or small value as you can. Bounciness is value to make bullet can bounce. Change to 1 to enable it. On prefab bomb, add new physics material into rigid body component. Press play to test it again. Our bullet can bounce very nice now. When bullet is created, it always fall down first. It bounced so low and looks no good, not as we expected. Let's throw it higher at first and fall down later. It will improve the bounciness. At bullet direction, instead move bullet in vector 1, 0 with angle 0 degree. Let's change vector 1, 1 to change angle direction as 45 degree. Save your script. Test again. Bullet will be thrown with angle 45 degree now, so it will fly higher at start. Back to our script. At component rigid body of bouncing bullet. To rotate bullet after it is created, we used add torque. It requires a float value to rotate bullet. Enter any values you want. Save your script. Press play to test it. You can see bullet can rotate now. To change its direction, you can try to put it negative value. Try it again. Rotation looks correctly now. After bullet is created, it cannot be destroyed. Let's handle to destroy bullet if it bounced 3 times. On Prefab bomb, add new C# script. Name it Bouncing Bullet Manager. Open it. Remove unnecessary code. First, add a variable touch count to count bounce times. Make sure on collider is trigger option is unchecked, so every time it collides any objects, on collision enter 2D will trigger. When bullet touches ground or any objects, let's increase touch count value. If bounce 3 times, or touch count greater than 3, we can destroy this bullet object right now. If bullet hits some enemy, it will destroy right away. To check enemy, you can check if bullet hits collider with tag enemy. So you can add damage to enemy here. Then destroy this bullet right away. We will talk about it on tutorial of enemy. We don't need it in this video. Let's test it. Press button attack to spawn bullet. You can see bullet is destroyed when bounced 2 times only, not 3. The reason is, bullet collided with player object 1 time already. To ignore collision between bullet and player, you need to add bullet into bullet layer. I explained it in last video. Test again. Bullet can be destroyed if it bounced 3 times correctly now. We created hit effect last video as well. Open our script. First, add prefab hit effect into our script. Set it public to edit directly on editor. Before destroy bullet, let's create object hit effect. New hit effect will be created at current location of bullet with default rotation and default parent. Save your script. You can see variable hit effect on the script. Add prefab hit effect you want to create it when bullet is destroyed. When bullet is destroyed, it will create hit effect. Next video, let's learn how to create effect with particles and control it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to save the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.